All right, folks. So I'm working on my answer key here. I'm going to have that up. Well, it'll be up when you see it, but same with these videos. But um, just wanted to talk about a couple of things on each of the problems. Not all of them, but a couple of them. Number two, just wanted to give a quick clue in here in terms of if you're not sure how to do it, we really didn't get to talk about this kind of stuff too much, but I think you'll be able to kind of figure it out. But in case you're having some trouble here, you have a graph, and time is happening in weeks, and as that time is happening, it's tracking money. Let's talk about the math club's money over 6 weeks. So here's 6 weeks. So over that time from 0 to 6, this is what's happening, right? It looks like during that time their money is being spent, right? At week 0, they started with, like, I don't know, 550. Let's say, I don't know, 550. Looks like it's down like 500. By the time we get to week 3, it's already down to 400, and it's under 400 after 6 weeks. So it's going down. So when it asks you at this rate, when will the club have no money? First thing I want to mention is there's no exact answer, but it has to be reasonable. Okay, just visually, just kind of following it with my pencil, it looks pretty like it's coming out like this. Okay, but please feel free to draw a line. You don't have to leave this unmarked. It's your graph. Do what you want with it. And it can be an estimate, but be able to read that. When will the money be gone? You can see here it's in this 500s or maybe 600, and it's going down. So when does it hit 0? What's the time in weeks when it hits 0? Okay, you got to be able to read that and tell me about it. Justify your answer. Tell me, how did you find that? I drew the line and then I followed it to $0 and okay. And then same thing with this question. At this rate, how much money will they have after 8 weeks? Well, if you're not sure how to read the graph, like looking at the line, think about it this way. It says 8 weeks. Where's weeks? Weeks is on the X. So go to 8 weeks and then kind of just follow the graph. Go up to the graph and kind of see about how much money was it at 8 weeks. All right. And justify your answer. Explain how you got it. I went to 8 weeks on the X and I did this, and this. So those would be my tips there. Check the answer key for a little bit more of a detailed answer.